A referral program is a system where a business rewards you for sending new customers their way, usually giving you a discount, cash, or a free service once someone you referred signs up or makes a purchase. Think of it like this. A company wants more customers, but instead of spending all their money on advertising, they ask their happy customers to spread the word for them. So when you tell your neighbor about a great plumber or a lawn care company, and your neighbor mentions your name when they book, you both usually get something back, like a discount on your next service or even cash in your pocket. This works so well because people trust recommendations from friends and family way more than they trust a random advertisement. Something a lot of people do not realize is that many referral programs have no limit, meaning you could refer 10, 20, or even 50 people and keep earning rewards every single time. Another interesting fact is that some companies offer double-sided rewards, which means both you and the person you referred get a bonus, making it a win for everyone involved. If you use a service you genuinely like, it is smart to ask if they even have a referral program because a lot of businesses do not advertise it unless you ask. One common mistake people make is forgetting to actually use their referral code or link, so the business has no way of knowing who sent the new customer and nobody ends up getting rewarded. Always double check that your name or code gets entered before the job is booked. Another misconception is thinking referral rewards are only cash, when really they can come as gift cards, service discounts, or account credits. So read the fine print to know exactly what you're earning. A lot of folks also assume every referral automatically counts, but many programs only reward you once the new customer completes their first purchase or service, so it helps to follow up and make sure everything went through. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobby Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list their jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.